Hello, in this video I'm going over the basics of iOS, which is the iPad's operating system. Now, I am going to be focusing only on the screen since software is primarily in the screen. I'm only going briefly over the features. I am not going into the camera and all that. This is not a review. This is just a help video to get you familiarized with iOS. Now, as you know, this is a home button over here. You can press that or the power button that's back behind here. You agree with this screen, but you'll see that there's Eden Prairie Track and Field logo. This is because I have this for track and field, but this is the lock screen. For starters, you'll get the time up here, date, and then over here you will have a little slideshow. I'm not going to press it because I got some private photos I don't want everyone seeing. But this is Apple's now patented unlock, slide to unlock, just like it says. And this is going to be the standard layout of the home page. Now this is messages, calendar, contact or notes, reminders, maps, clock, videos, contacts, Game Center, iTunes, App Store, newsstand, FaceTime, and then regular camera and photo booth. And then down here, just like a Mac, is the dock. Now, how do you get to the next page? You swipe with one finger, and you'll be greeted with another page. Now that we're here, I'm going to show you what these are. You may be wondering what these are. These are folders. You can group sorry, I'm blanking. But you can group apps together and make a folder. Now, this will also show you how to delete an app. You press and hold until it starts jiggling. To make a folder, you grab it and hold it over another, and then it'll automatically create one. But since I don't want to make one, I just bring it back out. And if you want to delete an app, you can press that X. And then if you're done, just press the home button again. It will stop jiggling. Now, down here is the settings. Let me zoom out just a little bit. Right here. And then zoom in. Alright, so here's the basics. Airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, do not disturb. Do not disturb is just kind of silence your device completely. No vibrating, which iPads don't have, but this is for phones too. And it just doesn't light up the screen at all. It completely puts your device on silent. No notifications will be sent to you, but they'll automatically be put into notification center, which I'll show you in a bit. And if you were hoping this video would be a little short, I'm sorry, but there's so much to go over. This video is going to be a little bit longer. And then you can find out about your iPad software update, all the basics in general. Sounds, brightness, picture frame. This is settings for that button I showed you earlier on the lock screen. Privacy, iCloud, mail and contacts, where all your mail and calendars and contacts are going to be. Your notes, this is just how you can change your font for notes. Let's go down a little further. Alright, I'll zoom out a little bit. so you can see more. And then reminders. These are all different apps settings, as you can see. Now I'm going to go over notifications. Notifications is how you arrange notifications, how they're going to appear in the notification center. Now, this is how you get to notification center. Swipe down with one finger from the top. Now you'll see tap to tweet or tap to post if you have a Twitter account or Facebook account set up. And then you'll see a bunch of notifications here. But I have none, so it says no new notifications right now. So that's the basics of settings. And then here's Safari, which is the default browser. Over here is the back and forward keys. It's looking for internet. I will not be showing you this for privacy. The screen. Over here is your bookmarks, iCloud tabs, anything that's open on another device that's connected to your iCloud account. And then here is a little share button, which I have to go to a site, which I'll show you. And sorry, I can't show you because I'm not connected to the internet right now. And then over here is the Google search. Or if you click here, you can search the current page. As you can see, that was special gesture. Some of the stuff, there are so many things that some things you're going to just have to kind of play around and explore. But I'm going over the basics. Mail, and then photos. This is where all your photos are going to go. Music. This is the music layout. And then your rest of your apps. So, and then here's the clock, your start, done, your stopwatch, alarm, world clock, and videos. I don't have anything. Calendar, you can change a month, and you can pretty well do almost anything. To-dos, your reminders. And Game Center is just like, if you know Xbox Live or PlayStation Network, it's basically Apple's version for iOS. And then iTunes is the music stores and several other things, app stores for any apps. And then Newsstand is where you can keep your magazines and newspapers, digital versions that you buy through the store. And then camera launches the camera. Now, this is, and then over here is basically what Spotlight is on a Mac, if you know. Or if you have Windows 8, it's the search feature. So basically you can search your whole iPad, or if you're using another iOS device, you can search the whole device. Now that's the basics. If you have any further questions, please leave a comment below. And if you thought that was helpful, please like and leave a comment below of how you liked the video. Give us some feedback so we can improve on it in future videos. Or if you're on our site, just leave us some feedback in the feedback section. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this helpful.